everybody, welcome to the video walkthrough. We are located at 1721 Northeast 64th Street here in Fort Lauderdale. If you want more information, I'll leave all that in the description below. You open to quite a large great room. The living room area on this side. You have a nice open kitchen right here. And then this would be the dining room area. You have a laundry room back over here. And it's a split floor plan. You have the master to this side of the living room, and the rest of the bedrooms and guest baths stacked behind the kitchen. Let's go take a look at that as well. You catch a glimpse of a good view of the backyard from the main living area. Take a close-up of the kitchen. It's a nice modern design. This house has been updated recently with electric, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring. You have a mixture of original and impact windows with shutters, and you appear to have an original concrete sealed roof. As you continue down, you have a long hallway leading to the guest bathroom. It services the main house very accessibly. This has also been up to date. The flooring is carried throughout the entire house. This is a linen closet. The first guest bedroom has a barn door. This is a nice touch. And it's a fairly good sized guest bedroom. 11 by 13. Traditional older style closet. Then it continues to a second guest bedroom. This one's a little more square, I'd say 13 by 13. It also has a direct access to the patio. You can see the mixture of the older windows with the shutters. They're accordion shutters. Should meet all your wind mitigation discounts. And we'll work our way back to the front of the house. To the master bedroom. As you come through the bedroom, the master bath will be to the right, the closet will be here to the left. Let's take a peek at the bathroom. Finished off with similar materials. This is a tub shower combo. Nice lighted mirror. Typical size and dimensions for a home built in this era. Good sized walk-in closet for a home of this age. And then it opens up into a master. It's definitely a rectangular, maybe 11 by 15. It's long and narrow. I've seen larger, but overall it has a fantastic view the backyard and the water. Take a closer look. Speaking of view, this is entering the backyard through the main sliding glass door off the living room. Overlooks a pool of good size, probably a rectangular 15 by 30 with a standard paver deck. You've got gutters all the way around the property as well. It's a deep property. It's definitely longer than it is wide. This is the guest bedroom that we spoke of here in the back. We have a nice yard area. Before we head out, we're going to view back to the house. deck area. They do have a simple gazebo, and the walkway leads back to the carport. So take a look at the dock. Great shape. You have a great view of the water. This is going to look to the west. It's going to continue, and I believe it'll dead end eventually. It may loop back around. I've never been in a boat by this far back. But as you can see here, you got some folks coming in. All right, everybody, that brings us to the end of this week's tour. If you have any questions or you'd like to book a private showing, please check out my contact information right here. All other details will be left in the description below.